Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install Dynamic Island on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on Open, tap on Next. Now just give this app these permissions. Now just tap on Select Apps and tap on All. After that, just go back and tap on Notification Access. From here, just enable the toggle for Dynamic Spot and select Allow. Then tap on Draw on Screen and select Allow. Now just tap on Draw on Screen one more time and select Next. From here, just tap on Installed Apps and tap on Dynamic Spot. Now just enable this toggle. From here, just select Allow. After that, just tap on Done. Now just tap on the X icon. Now, as you can see, we have successfully enabled the Dynamic Island on our smartphone. Now, if you tap on Appearance, you can change the appearance of your Dynamic Island. And if you tap on Position, you can change the position of your Dynamic Island. And this is how you can install Dynamic Island on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.